Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Frontier Michigan, and today I'm going to refresh these bezels, because as you can see, they are very much sun bleached. These 3D printed brackets. They were black, and they're not black now, and I need to make them black again, because this is annoying me. You can see how this one is not quite as bleached, because the way I park, as you can see where the shadow is, I park always like this, so the driver's side tends to get hit with the sun a lot more than the passenger side does, which is why this passenger side fog light bezel is a little bit more sun bleached from all the UV exposure. So I'm going to take these out, we're going to paint them, and I'm going to show you what I'm painting them with. Is this Ace branded premium paint primer. It's a satin enamel, so it's kind of gonna be kind of like a matte sheen, similar to how a lot of the plastic trim is. Kind of like this plastic, how it's got a little bit of a shine to it, but not like gloss. I've always had pretty good luck working with the apartments with this stuff, so that's what I'm going to use, and it should look good. Alright everybody, might hear a little bit of noise because of the AC, but I got them cleaned up. You can see where they were faded. This black color is how they're supposed to be. So I'm going to grab something to drink in the meantime while these dry, and hopefully when I come back they'll be ready to paint. Right, Thor? There you go, boy. Oh, you wanted your ball? Thor, do you have your ball? Good boy.
Hi everyone.
Alright everybody, I got these all painted up now in the Satin Black ENAMEL. I think they turned out pretty well and kept the original 3D print texture on them. So I'm going to give them a little bit of time to dry and we'll get them back on the truck. Alright everybody, got them back in. As you can see, no more sun fade. Looking a whole lot better. Yeah. Looking fresh again. And I also angled them down ever so slowly so that I put more light towards on the road. So that's a small little update, little project on the truck. I was going to hold off till I had a steel bumper, but that might be a little bit further down the road. Good news is I don't have any more IRS payments to make, so I can get moving on my suspension, get the other tires that I need to at least get through winter. So stuff's going to start moving here with the truck. I'm still debating if I want to put the Z1 shackles in just yet. Set them at the 7/10 of an inch height, which they'll be in. They'll give me more flex just because they move more. And it'd be like, I don't know, maybe that much higher. So not much higher in the rear. Still deciding on it. I might, or I might just wait till I have everything and do it in one go. So yeah, it's kind of nice day right now. We're in the low mid 70s, kind of cloudy sky. Anyway, it's been an episode of Frontier Michigan. I'll see you guys next time.